Grab Project, Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor 2-Stage Oscillator Configuration Update. Basically we have the new magnet rotor installed, and when we manually trigger, we're getting an intermittent contact at the relay, or starter relay, so we'll be see, now it's not working at all. Let me stop that. So that's a major problem. Basically, when this is engaging, it's the main contact is not completing the circuit, even though you hear it, slam forward or slam into position. There must be like a arcing carbon from arcs build up on the contacts. See. So that's one problem will have to be resolved. We'll be replacing this with a MOSFET circuit as soon as possible, and then we'll continue testing. It'll probably be, I'll do it as quick as possible, but I'm not sure if I have the correct parts or... I'm not sure if I have the correct part. Well, maybe it is just a matter of offsetting the... I'm not sure what it is at this point. Maybe the magnetic field is so strong attracted to the iron core that the electromagnet doesn't produce enough push unless it's offset. Let's see if I can do this without dropping the camera. Okay. Wow, that's got considerable torque. Alright. So that's alright. So it's not an intermittent contact. It's if this magnet is perfectly aligned with the iron core, the electromagnet doesn't produce enough field strength to actually push it away from the iron core. But if it triggers when it's just off, just past center, then there appears to be enough force to do that. Anyway, so it's a good idea to go solid state, but we'll continue with the fabrication, and we've identified another problem area. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.